Prepare to be amazed as Samsung takes smartphone innovation to the next level with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This masterpiece is not just a phone, it's a statement of what technology and design can achieve together. From its jaw-dropping design in titanium hues to cutting-edge AI capabilities, every detail has been meticulously crafted to redefine your smartphone experience. Here's a fresh look at what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the talk of the tech world. Titanium hues that mesmerize. The Galaxy S25 Ultra debuts in an array of titanium finishes that include black, gray, blue, silver, and the showstopper, titanium white silver. This particular color is already stealing hearts with its stark white back contrasted by a stunning silver frame. It's bold, elegant, and futuristic, catering to users who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. While the titanium black variant is expected to dominate production, rumors suggest titanium silver blue will take center stage as the signature color. It's not just about colors. This device is a visual treat with slimmer bezels, rounded corners, and a flatter frame, ensuring an ergonomic and premium feel. Enhanced camera design. Inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold series, the S25 Ultra's camera layout gets a makeover. Thicker rings around the lenses, combined with metallic or glass-like housing, blend seamlessly into the back panel, creating a cohesive and premium look. Whether it's daylight photography or low-light captures, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera module is designed to impress. The powerhouse within. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, boasting a 38% CPU improvement, 34% GPU boost, and a whopping 43% enhancement for generative AI tasks. Built on TSMC's 3nm process, this chipset is as efficient as it is powerful. Coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, multitasking becomes seamless, and you'll have ample space for all your data. The 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED display ensures vibrant colors and ultra-smooth transitions with a 120 Hz refresh rate. AI-powered innovations. Samsung's revamped Bixby AI is another game-changer. The assistant is now smarter and more intuitive, understanding natural language commands and remembering context like never before. It's a step ahead of rivals like Apple's Siri and Google's Gemini, promising to redefine how users interact with their devices. Camera excellence. The quad-camera setup on the S25 Ultra is designed for professionals and casual users alike. 200MP main sensor for unmatched detail. 50MP ultra-wide lens with enhanced clarity. 50MP telephoto lens for sharp zoomed-in shots. 10MP periscope lens for long-range captures. 12MP front camera for stunning selfies. New AI advancements bring features like seamless camera transitions during video recording and a raw color video mode, making it a dream device for content creators. Revolutionary audio control. Samsung introduces Audio Eraser, a tool for eliminating unwanted background noise from video recordings. With adjustable sliders for voice, wind, music, and ambient noise, creators can achieve professional-grade audio with ease. This feature makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a go-to device for vloggers and filmmakers. Cooling and performance optimization. To address overheating concerns, Samsung has integrated a larger vapor chamber cooling system, offering 42% better heat dissipation than its predecessor. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the device remains cool under pressure. Wireless charging redefined. The S25 Ultra supports Qi 2 wireless charging, a magnetic alignment system that ensures faster and more efficient charging. Paired with an official Samsung case, users can unlock the full potential of this feature, reminiscent of Apple's MagSafe technology. Refined design. Samsung has meticulously refined the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rounded edges replace the sharp corners of older models, addressing user feedback while maintaining a professional aesthetic. The ultra-slim bezels and sleek S Pen integration further enhance its appeal. User experience and software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers a clean, intuitive, and feature-packed interface. With regular updates and new tools like Audio Eraser, Samsung ensures its flagship remains at the forefront of user experience. Why the S25 Ultra stands out. Here's why the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a game-changer. Revolutionary design, titanium hues, and refined aesthetics. Top-notch performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with unmatched power. Next-gen AI, Bixby AI redefines digital assistants. Camera upgrades, professional-grade photography and videography. Enhanced cooling, optimized for sustained performance. Final thoughts. Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra worth it? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a technological marvel. From its visually stunning titanium finish to the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, every detail is crafted to elevate the user experience. Add to this the professional-grade cameras, AI enhancements, and refined design, and it's clear this device sets a new benchmark in the smartphone world. For tech enthusiasts and content creators alike, the S25 Ultra is more than just a device. It's an essential tool for the future.